back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. To start out this video, in anticipation for getting the Cummins done in this big truck, I've taken the toolbox out of my Ranger, and that's going to become just a fun project after this gets running. Here's the toolbox. We'll get this slid in and bolted down. I have to bolt in the orange toolbox because I moved that recently. Here's that crank and cam for the truck. I'm probably going to get these polished up and out of here today, and I'm probably going to get the head taped off and painted today and put somewhere else. But take a look around. This place is a disaster. These are most of the tools from the Ranger that I just dropped in here because I gotta organize and get a new toolbox in here. So there's the shelves for that, and we'll do a time lapse. Hopefully this is nice and relaxing and not stressful. Alright, that's 20 minutes. I put the fan on there because I put something too heavy right on top of this can of carb cleaner right there. So I don't want to get asphyxiated by carb cleaner in here. I just bolted this toolbox down. The other ones are better. These are better because I'll show you why in a minute, but they actually have a spot for a caster, big old caster bolt to go in the bottom. So it's reinforced and you can just bolt a self-tapper straight through there. In this case, I just put 4 self-tappers just in the floor of this toolbox. That should be totally fine. I left it flush with this, and I tested that I had enough clearance because the drawers unlock when you open this hood, that I had enough clearance to open that before I got caught on the wall, because I didn't want to leave a big gap back there for stuff to get stuck behind. So that's nice. That leaves a cubby down here next to the wheel well, and that toolbox there, and that's almost the same height. It's a nice work area. I may do the same thing with this toolbox as I did with that one and just bend all the drawer slides, that way they don't come out by themselves, and kind of leave the top closed and use it as a work area. I'm not sure though, for right now I'm not going to do that, but it's looking all right. Alright, here's what it looks like for now. I've got the crank and the cam just sitting right here. I'm not going to take those to the machine shop today. I'm going to finish. I haven't even bolted that toolbox down, but I'll do that tomorrow and finish this last little pile of stuff that I'm not sure whether or not I want to throw away, and just taking the rest of that stuff elsewhere. And eventually I'll have to organize the top shelves, but I'll do that after I get this thing running. For right now, I've got space back in here to work, and here's this toolbox. Here's what I ended up putting in it. Big hammers, ratcheting wrenches, adjustable wrenches, and something else will go in there. Little boxes of stuff. There's my plier drawer. I needed to get a bigger drawer for that. They didn't all fit. Random little weird sockets for like broken bolts or stripped out bolts. Tire stuff. I'll probably get a few more things in there. Weird little Allen keys. They're all just tossed everywhere, and a brake drawer. So that's it for now. I'll be back out tomorrow, and see you then. Alright, so I just got this painted gold. Yes, I know it's not high temp paint. It's just primer with the gold paint on top of it. So eventually, yeah, we may lose paint on that exhaust side. I'm not too worried about that. This is what it looks like. Getting that bottom edge was a little hard with the cloth there, but I didn't want to get it on that planed surface and mess around too much with flipping it over with wet paint. So because this is for sure going to be a nice hard line up against the block that you'll be able to see, and that'll look nice. So if I touch that up, I'll just flip it over and touch up the other side as well. I'll do that after lunch. All right, that's all done. Good enough. Ooh. I think this is for the oil filter, so I'll probably clean that up. Everything else is taped off. All right, real quick, again, the point of painting this, it may wear off, it may get too hot, but it looks better than rust. And I don't think I said that. That's the main point. I don't want to look at that rust. If the paint wears off, I don't care, I'll repaint it. All right, now when you look at this toolbox, I have the bottom shelf out. They just have these reinforced areas for the casters, and there's this hole right in the middle. That's like the perfect spot to put one of those self tappers, so I'm going to do that probably tomorrow, rather than using some angle brackets that just ended up being too weak. Thanks for watching. That's a truck update for now. If you liked the video, subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you on the next episode.